In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Microsoft To-Do tasks in Outlook. We'll turn your to-dos into time on your calendar and make sure you get reminders when it matters. Start by opening Outlook in your browser and heading to Calendar. This gives you the best view for laying out your day. On the right side, open the My Day panel. My Day brings your Microsoft To-Do list right next to your schedule so you can plan without switching apps. If the panel is collapsed, look for the My Day icon near the top right and expand it. With My Day open, you'll see your tasks. Simply drag a task from the list onto a specific time slot on your calendar. That instantly schedules focused time to work on it. Drop it where it fits best, like mid morning for deep work or late afternoon for quick items. After you place it, you can move it up or down to adjust timing or stretch it to make it longer or shorter so the block matches the effort you expect. Next, switch the My Day panel to the To Do view if it isn't already selected. Choose a task you want to track and click Add Due Date. Pick today, tomorrow, or select a custom date that aligns with your plan. Setting a due date keeps the task visible and helps My Day surface it when you're planning, and it ensures you'll be reminded right on time. A great way to capture work straight from your inbox is to turn emails into tasks. Drag an email onto the tasks icon to create a task from that message. The subject becomes the title, and the email content is just a click away when you need context. If dragging isn't your style, simply flag the email. Flagged messages automatically appear in your to-do list under flagged email, giving you a quick follow-up queue without any extra typing. That's the core workflow. Open Outlook Calendar, use My Day to see tasks, drag them onto time slots to reserve focus time, and add due dates so you get the right prompts. Round it out by capturing email actions as tasks or flags, and you'll always know what to do and when to do it. Give this a try for tomorrow's plan. A few minutes of scheduling in Outlook can turn a long list into a calm, realistic day.